The holiday season is incomplete without baking and eating together. So let us together bake the season's favorite Christmas tree bread recipe. Start by adding warm milk, melted butter, sugar, instant yeast, flour and salt to a large mixing bowl. Using a wooden spoon, just combine everything to form a shaggy mass of dough.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Then tip it over onto your working surface and start kneading. Let me share how to knead dough using your hands. This technique would work not only for this recipe but any bread dough that you want to make. All you have to do is push the dough away from you, fold it over again, turn it to 90 degrees and repeat the step. That's it. Do it over and over again till you get a bouncy soft dough. So push, fold over, rotate. That's the three things you need to remember. A common mistake though that we all make is getting overexcited and applying too much pressure. This would do more damage than good. Don't put all your energy into it, just a little push should be enough. And if you find it difficult to knead the dough, a simpler way is then to just do the slap and fold technique of kneading that we usually do for sour bread doughs.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how?
This is how the bread looks 5 minutes later, sticky and unmanageable. Wait till you see how it looks after 15 minutes. So this is the slap and fold technique that I mentioned a while back. All you do is lift your dough up, you slap it gently on your worktop and then fold over it. So slap and fold over it. This is how the dough looks after 15 minutes. So much better, right? It would take around 20 to 25 minutes to get a soft, pliable dough. Did you know all this could be cut down to just 8 minutes if you are kneading it using a stand mixer? The directions for the same can be found in our star bread recipe. The link is in the description box below. Do the window pane test to be doubly sure. Once done, time to proof the dough. I am taking the same bowl in which we kneaded the bread dough. Just grease it well, add the dough and coat the dough with oil too so that it doesn't dry out. Cling wrap followed by towel wrap and allow for first proofing, which is 2 hours.
Until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year.
Once done, punch down the dough to release the gases, transfer to your worktop and divide into 4 equal parts.
How it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories? Oh, oh.
Start rolling the dough while keeping the rest covered. This is again done to prevent drying of the dough. Roll it to a round rectangle of 10 by 12 inches.
Our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Then leaving a margin of 4 inches on each side, cut the dough to form the tree trunk. Now from the outward end, cut the dough to form a triangle. I am taking the 5-inch mark as the center point. You don't have to be so much specific about the dimensions. Take this just as a guide. All you have to do is make a triangle shape with the tree trunk. That's it. Don't get intimidated or confused with all the numbers. Just get the basic shape there. Fill it with pesto and place the second rolled out dough on top. In my opinion, pesto adds a vibrant green color, so apt for the holidays, and the combination of savory along with the milk bread dough is top notch. But if you want, you can check out the link in the description box below, which has 15 plus filling ideas, variations, so much fusion recipes included, and you can choose one that would suit your family's needs or your theme of the party. And then, taking the base as the guide, cut the dough to form the shape required and repeat the steps till you reach the top. So you will have 4 layers of dough and 3 layers of filling. Leaving the middle of the tree intact, make a cut of 1 cm apart on each side. Twist each one of it twice to form a twisted Christmas tree shape. Allow it for second proofing, which is 30 minutes, and while that is proofing, also preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Oh yes, forgot to mention, with the left out dough, cut out 2 star shape using star shape cookie cutter. Sandwich a layer of pesto in between and place this at the tip. So this also has to be done before proofing. So once it's done, then only allow it to proof, that is second proofing, which would be 30 minutes. After 30 minutes and right before baking, brush the top of the bread with some milk and bake the bread in the preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes or slightly golden brown. Now this is an optional step, but once it's baked, what I like to do is I like to brush it with olive oil, not just olive oil but little bit of pesto mixed into it. What this does it, one, it makes the crust softer and it also makes it look more appealing with the greeny pesto sparkled and shining with the olive oil's shiny effect. That's it. Enjoy it warm with your friends and family along with dips of choice. The bread turns out to be super soft, light and fluffy with crispy edges, which actually amplifies the flavor. We just love this bread, which is perfect for holidays with that green hue from pesto. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next year now. Happy baking. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.